So in continuation with rural development, and in this we are talking about agricultural diversification. In this we finished with animal husbandry and dairying. We talked about horticulture, we've talked about fisheries, and in this particular lesson I'm going to talk about cottage and household industries. So we know about traditional industries like, for example, spinning, weaving, dyeing, etc., which are coming, bleaching, idol making, and there are new industries also that have cropped up. For example, soap making, doll making, mushroom cultivation, beekeeping, etc. And we have groups of women who are participating in these cottage industries, and there is one example given as Tanva, that is Tamil Nadu Women in Agriculture. So just a quick, they also provide their allied activities which take place in rural areas, and in rural development cottage industries plays a very important part. So so we see that in many rural areas these household activities are being promoted by these farm women group. And I just told you about Tanva. It is a project launched in Tamil Nadu with a view to training women in diverse techniques of farming, and this would raise the employment of women as well as supplement the income of the family, and giving them specialized skills through training. Women are forming farm women's group, and they're also being, this example is also being emulated in other states, and that is why it is quoted. It was the first of its kind. And these groups, like the farm women's group, they function like self-help groups, and their main function is to promote cottage and household production activity using their own funds, their own pool of funds. So this is what we've just done as cottage and small and cottage industry.